because I know Brett Garlinghouse came here in South Africa and some parts of Africa to make a deal with African leaders or African governments to use Ripple Net, to use Ripple. Yes, it's Ripple Net, guys. It's the technology that Ripple is offering for financial institutions to maybe send money across border, to send money to anyone, in fact, in the world, paying less fees, and it takes a short time of period. It takes a short time of period to send the money. It can take you like 3 seconds to send $1 million to anyone residing in the United States. It's huge. When the banks had that, morning you guys. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're doing well, guys. I've heard this question from someone. Someone asked me about Bitcoin. I know I just did a video talking about Bitcoin, but someone just asked me, because they don't watch my videos, so they asked me if they can buy Bitcoins or what, if it's a good move to buy Bitcoin right now. And I said to them, yes, it's a good move. You can buy Bitcoin right now, but don't wait until 2024. That's what I told him. That they shouldn't wait for 2024, because by 2024 Bitcoin will be over 1 million rand. Because as you saw right now, Bitcoin is over $40,000, which is approximately 776,000 rand. So it's a lot, guys. So by next year, you can imagine where Bitcoin will be by this time. Next year, this time, it will be over 1 million rand, meaning it will be over $60,000 in price. So if you're not buying Bitcoin right now, then there's nothing I can tell you, or there's no hope that I can give you that maybe Bitcoin will come back to where it is today. It will no longer come where it is today if it goes back to $60,000, guys. Because it's last year, 2022 or 2021. It's 2021 or 2022. I'm not sure when was that year where Bitcoin reached 65,000. The highest all-time high for Bitcoin is $65,000, if I'm not mistaken, because it was 1 million something rand. So Bitcoin has a lot of potential, but comparing Bitcoin with XRP right now, it's like taking advantage of XRP, because XRP would go hard. I don't know what is the highest price XRP can reach right now, but what I know is that XRP will change many people's life. XRP will change many people's lives. I know if you are starting to get into cryptocurrency, you're starting to to look at these cryptocurrencies, maybe you're starting to get interested to buy or to invest in cryptocurrency. I know you have seen a lot about XRP. You have seen more videos talking about XRP. Like, it's very important to understand that XRP, it can reach like $1,000 in future. I don't know when, but I know that it has that potential, that it can go up. So the thing is about cryptocurrency, guys. You don't just assume things. You don't just assume that XRP would get to this price or XRP will reach this price. No, we don't speculate. We talk about things that we see and we hear, that the banks are adopting these cryptocurrencies, and XRP, Ripple as a company, it has like an authority to serve as financial company in Dubai, and in some of the countries, XRP, it has that authority to serve as a financial authority or financial institution, where it can maybe offer their services, their financial services to the people residing there in Dubai, or perhaps maybe they do maybe they break a deal with South African Reserve Bank, and then when we transact to digital economy, you will find out maybe we will be using Ripple, or I'm not saying we're gonna use Ripple, but something like that, if it happens here in South Africa, I think, because I know Brett Garlinghouse came here in South Africa and some parts of Africa to make a deal with African leaders or African governments to use Ripple Net, to use Ripple. Yes, it's Ripple Net, guys. It's the technology that Ripple is offering for financial institutions to maybe send money across border, to send money to anyone, in fact, in the world, paying less fees, and it takes a short time of period. It takes a short time of period to send the money. It can take you like 3 seconds to send $1 million to anyone residing in the United States. It's huge. When the banks heard that, when the banks saw that, it's huge that Ripple was able to accomplish this thing, was able to accomplish this kind of technology. That will save many people's. It will save many people's money. You won't be paying any more fees to send money. You won't be paying any what they call it, network fees. When you transact, the fees won't be that much. You understand? Gas fees, like Ethereum, it has higher gas fees. So whenever you try to withdraw or to make a transaction on Ethereum network or blockchain, you will pay more gas fees. So XRP, Ripple as a company, they have solved that problem. So that's why many people and many institutional companies, that many financial institutions recommend this Ripple Net or XRP, and it can happen that one day you will find out that we actually using Ripple Net, like the whole world is using Ripple as a payment network or payment method, because it's cheap, man. It's cheap, and it can save many people from using more cash to send money to anyone, or but just for maybe paying your bills, man. You can use Ripple to pay your bills, and you can also tokenize your assets on RippleNet, on Ripple's ledger, XRP ledger. It's XRP ledger, not Ripple's ledger. It's XRP ledger, guys. Because I've heard that they want to create a XRP ledger. They want to build their own ledger. So there will be more opportunities, for XRP to expand or to grow their partnership, with many institutions and many companies that trust and that trust this Ripple or XRP ledger, or the technology that Ripple offer to them. You understand? It's all about technology. It's all about sufficiency. It's all about security and privacy. Because this technology, blockchain technology, it was designed to protect an investor and to protect our economy in general. Because now, as you can see, we're going through financial crisis. We can even go to experience the Great Depression soon. We can even experience the Great Depression, whereby now things will go up. Everything that you rely on, your foods, your everything that you need in your daily basis, they will go up. Like, they will be expensive as we going through this transition, this period of depression, because now, guys, now they call this the Great Reset. They call this time, this period, this chaos, whatever that is going on in financial space, in banks. Because now you see that in South Africa, they say there is rand manipulation. The banks are manipulating rand to benefit themselves. There's many things happening. This is financial crisis. This is depression. This is the Great Reset, guys. We transacting to digital economy, to digital world. So many things will crash. The system that we're using currently, it will crash. They will have to crash this system so that they can implement the new system that they want to use in this new world order. This is not a coincidence. What's happening right now is not a coincidence. This was planned very well. It was planned by the elites, the people who run this world. They are the ones who planned this whole thing. The C19 crisis and this financial crisis that we're going through right now, they were planned, man, because they want to transact to digital economy. They want to implement digital economy. So this was planned. It's not a coincidence. So many people think this is natural. This was supposed to happen. No, guys. There are people out there who controls this world. There are people out there who runs this world. There are people out there who plan your future for you. So these people are the ones who determines your future, who determines the outcome of what's going on right now. The results, man. They know the results already. They know what they want to accomplish. They know. So we just have to play along and act like we don't know. We just have to play along and act like we don't know, guys. Because if you talk too much, you can even get blocked on YouTube or Facebook. You don't have to say things that are out of your due restriction. You don't have to say things like talking about the government and all those things, because now censorship is coming hard on us YouTubers. It's coming hard on creators. So we have to be careful here on YouTube or Facebook. We don't have to say things that that can end up leading you to get blocked, on YouTube or Facebook. So you as a person, as an individual, I'm always telling you guys that you need to make a research. You need to familiarize yourself with research. It's more important. You cannot just live your life and expect things to play out like the way you think they should play. No, guys, things change. So unfortunately, right now things are changing. We no longer using, or we no longer believing on things that we believed in 5 years back. Things are changing. So you have to change. You have to change with time. Change with the things that are changing. Keep updating yourself. Keep educating yourself. So that you can know and have the knowledge that will enable you to maybe survive with what's happening right now. Because if you don't have that financial education right now, guys, you can end up doing mistakes. You can end up buying things that that are useless, buying things that cannot help you in future. You have to buy assets. Right now you need to buy assets. You need to buy things that goes up in value, because you see your currency is going down but Bitcoin is going up. So why don't you buy Bitcoin? Why don't you invest in Bitcoin? Why don't you do that? Because you can see right now that these cryptocurrencies are going up, So why don't you save yourself and save your entire family by investing in these assets? Buy Bitcoin, guys. It's going up. It's gonna reach $50,000 soon. Buy Bitcoin. Don't hesitate, because Bitcoin is not like any asset that you know. Bitcoin it's pure, man. It's pure, 100% legit, 100% uncontrollable. No one is controlling Bitcoin. No one manipulates Bitcoin. No one can manipulate Bitcoin. So that's why I'm saying buy Bitcoin. Buy everything else after. Buy Bitcoin. Right now, buy Bitcoin. Make sure you invest in Bitcoin. Make sure you have a wallet and you're holding Bitcoins in that wallet. For your sake, man. For your kids' sake. For your family's sake. You're doing this to save your kids, to save your people, your family. You're not doing this for my sake. I'm doing this video to help you, to give you this information that you can't find by yourself, because you're not into this space. So you cannot be searching about Bitcoin if you're not in Bitcoin. If you're not into Bitcoin, you cannot search anything that has to do with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, because you're not into that space. You're not a crypto enthusiast. So if you're not a crypto enthusiast, so it means you won't be doing anything. You won't be doing anything regards with this Bitcoin, or regarding this Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, because it's not your thing. It's not your thing. You just know how to invest your money in Absa, FNB, Capitec, and Standard Bank. That's what you know. That's what you know. You only know that you can go to Absa or any bank and make a loan there, Or you only have maybe you only save your money in banks. You don't invest your money, You have 100 and something thousand saved in your bank. It's not there. It's not there anymore. Your banks are using your money to make more money, and they're giving you cents as profit. So there's no use for you, or I don't see a reason for you to put your money in banks instead of investing your money to work for you. XRP today is actually 10 rand, 11 rand, somewhere there. It's 11 rand. So if you buy 100 XRP today, man, in 2029 or 2030, you will be filthy rich, man. Filthy rich. But if you decide not to listen to me, it's okay. I understand. But if you have taken that decision, you have taken that step, and you bought something, you bought XRP or XLM or any cryptocurrency, I want to congratulate you guys. I want to congratulate you for just doing that. It shows that your ears are open. You hear. You're not ignorant. You hear. You hear us when you're listening to, when you're watching the video. You hear us. What I can tell you right now, guys, is that I bought this cryptocurrency, Terra Luna Classic. I bought this cryptocurrency, and now it's going up. It's going up. And I did a video. I did a video telling you about cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic. I said you should buy these cryptocurrencies because they are cheap. You can just spend 10 rand, 20 rand, 100 rand You don't tell me you are afraid to lose 100 rand, man, because you're spending 100 rand like this every day. You're buying like 12, 24 Savannah and all those things, you know, and you're actually not benefiting from that. You're getting drunk, that's it. But if you invest the money that you buy this beer with, I'm telling you, you will thank yourself. You will buy a Lamborghini one day. You will buy sports cars, hey? Yeah. So, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. So, all these videos that I'm making these videos for entertainment and educational purposes only. So, if you decide to buy any cryptocurrencies that I'm talking about here on my YouTube channel, guys, please don't blame me if they go up, because most of people buy these things when they went up. They don't buy them when they still cheap, like right now. They're gonna buy them when they went, by the time they went up on their all-time high. That's when they start to buy these cryptocurrencies. And when they retrace, when they go back, when when the market goes down, then they will lose money. I don't have to explain that. If you buy Bitcoin when it reached its all-time high, then you're definitely gonna lose your money. You will panic when the market goes down, because the market it always have to take that breath in. It breathes, guys. It breathes in and it breathes out. You know. So when the market goes up, that's a breath in. When it breathes out, it will go down now and take the breath in again, shoot back up, you know. It will exceed the all-time high, the first all-time high, and it goes to the new all-time high. That's what the market does, man. The market fluctuates. The market is very volatile in cryptocurrency space. These currencies are very volatile. You have to know that. So make your own due diligence. You know, don't just buy any coin or any cryptocurrency. Make your research before buying anything, so that you cannot lose your money. But what I can tell you is that there's risk in anything. There's risk in anything. There's risk in investing in these cryptocurrencies. There's risk also in investing on stock market. There's also risk of not investing in anything. So just decide the risk that you're willing to take. So it's your choice, it's your call there, guys. So just make sure you you do what's best for you, not what is best for me. Do what's best for you and your family and your kids, everyone that you love. Do what's best for you, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.